Would you like to learn how to never have to pay for another battery, ever again? And I mean any type of battery, a car battery, cell phone battery, laptop battery, drill battery, solar panel battery, literally any type of battery. Right now, almost every single person on Earth is wasting their hard-earned money replacing dead batteries because they don't know they can be restored to like new condition in a matter of minutes. Don't believe me? If you want to learn more about this battery repair technology, please click the link below the video. In just a moment, I'm going to show you an amazingly simple method which will bring dead batteries back to life. And the best part is anyone can do this, even if you know absolutely nothing about batteries. A proven method which will save your wallet. Image batteries are not cheap, and the fact you're reading this page right now means you know this only too well. Imagine the money you will save by reconditioning batteries rather than buying new ones. What you're about to discover is information which the multi-billion-dollar battery industry does not want you to know, for obvious reasons. It's a fact, battery manufacturers deliberately build their batteries to expire after a predefined amount of time, often a short period after the guarantee has passed. This is done so people keep on buying new batteries over and over again. But here's the good news. Apart from showing you how to recondition your own dead batteries, I'm also going to show you how to pick up dead batteries free or very cheaply, recondition them, and then sell them for a huge profit. And you won't believe how easy it is to do. How I learned to recondition dead batteries. Image for 16 years, I worked in the call center of an IT company. It didn't pay well, and with a wife and 2 children to support, we could barely pay the bills at the end of the month. But things were about to get a whole lot worse. During the recession, I lost my job. It was a nightmare. How was I going to feed my family? But there was hope. And from a place I couldn't have ever guessed. David, a senior engineer and good friend who also lost his job, told me he always wanted to dedicate more time to his part-time business. He was looking for a partner who was experienced in facing customers and asked me if I was interested. His business? Battery reconditioning. If you want to learn more about this battery repair technology, please click the link below the video. I have to admit, I really had no idea what battery reconditioning was at the time. David went on to tell me battery reconditioning turned old batteries into new, and it was exploding in popularity because of how much money people saved. That's when I realized what an opportunity this was. Image I met David at his garage to see firsthand while he was moving some batteries. He told me they were deep cycle batteries for a solar system, and a client was going to pick them up the following day. How much are they paying you? I asked. These will sell for $5,000, he told me, a number which, quite frankly, blew me away. $5,000, I exclaimed. For that much money, it must be pretty difficult. No, it's dead easy, David replied. He went on to tell me he focused mainly on car batteries, deep cycle batteries for solar systems, and the marine industry. The system works for everyday batteries, too, like cell phone batteries, laptop batteries, and more. He just chose to focus on the batteries where he could make the highest profits. Image over the course of 30 minutes, David showed me his simple, step-by-step reconditioning method, and restored the dead batteries in the process. Then I asked him the obvious, how much money are you making? I've never earned less than $20,000 in any given month, he said. With that kind of money, I couldn't understand why he was only doing this part-time, until he explained. He told me he didn't have the courage to leave his day job to focus on his business because reconditioning batteries is very easy and anyone could do it, even without any expensive equipment. He was afraid over time, everyone would learn how to do it and his business would dry up. And that's when I had a great idea. David, I said, maybe this is the area we should focus on. If we put your step-by-step method online, we'll reach far more people. I explained he could run his business in a more sustainable way, by helping others learn how to recondition their own batteries. It took time to sway David, but I convinced him to give this a try. So David and I put together the world's most comprehensive and easy-to-follow step-by-step system for reconditioning dead batteries and making them, like new, again, saving you heaps of money both now and in the future. Introducing Battery Reconditioning 4U. Battery Reconditioning 4U is a remarkably simple, proven, step-by-step system to bring most dead batteries back to life, quickly, easily, and safely, no experience required. This easy-to-follow system has already worked for others all over the world. If you want to learn more about this battery repair technology, please click the link below the video.